Ay mga amigos, so atong i-vlog ang atong 2016 Toyota Wigo, no. I know this is an old vehicle pero some other people gusto pang makapalit o mas barato unya affordable siya unya hinay mo konsumo, hinay sa fuel consumption nga sakyanan. So perfect kayo ni for a family of 2 kids, wife and husband. No, okay na yun guys siya. Sabi na og starting family mo. I know the new version is much better pero second hand wise, daghan man second hand baligya ani. This is very much worth sa kwarta. This one is ipahuam sa tong Migo. No? Ipahuam sa tong barkada and it's very for a 2016 model, very kuan pa siya. Indot pa kayo. Tanaw na to first ang tabangan. Front wise, compared na to sa mga bagong kotse ron, it's not that bad. No, it's not that bad. It's decent. Suga is lights are mag fade and basically as I would say as Toyota as it gets. It's bright. It's parts are readily available. Nadili is yung parts ani. Yeah. This one has fog lamps as well. By the way, this is an automatic transmission and some sort of trivia lang para sa hoping makapalit pag Wigo pukon. The automatic version has better fuel mileage daw compared to the manual. I've driven the automatic only ha. As per ako lang nabasahan sa mga comments og mga amigo na tupod nga sa storya, mas may consumption ang automatic. And I've driven a lot of cars na pod, no. Personal na to nya yan yung mga pahuwam sa mga barkada. This one is a very very fuel efficient good, although dili ta mag-expect nga syempre kusog mudagan kay what we are getting is a very small practical car for the city, pwede sa long ride, no. If pull anta sa tong magmotor ta kapuyon tag motor, this is something that's very practical. So let me just give you an idea, no, unsa kadako ang ligid, no. Look at that, it's quite small pero for the price, no, of 300, makakita tani sa marketplace 300k 300 to 400k, pinaka minus siguro makahangyo pa kag 298. It's worth the price good para na ako. Dili ka artist sa kanan, you just need something to bring you from home to work or school, first car sa tong anak. This is worth the price, although kita nimo kaniwa mo gud ni sa sold daw sa balay, di siya covered pagkabutang, so daghan gyud siya ipote na, but this can easily be remedied if atong ipa-detailing. So di ta magka-issue ani unya. By looks alone, no, I'd say ako pilian sa kukotse. It's very okay, it's very good. It's worth the price. One thing to note, kani nga unit na to na siya gibot lang. I don't know if this is part na gid sa Toyota ginawa. I don't think sa Toyota there should be a Wigo name here like like other Vios na siya name, but let me show you the back again. So the wheels are kind of dirty, sorry kay medyo lapok to sa ato, but as you can see, drums. So yeah, hinay ra jud kag padagan, so only just has drum brakes. But I'd say if imo siyang ilisdan og yantas, they'll change this to much better 16 so masigo. So 17s, I don't know if madaba. It will really look good. Labi na itom, I'd say race to make it look better ba. I had a friend nga na inani di set up niya. It's really cool. Bakpusod niya. Gagmay, but yeah, it's okay. So the back, let's see the back. Dila na to i-rev kay it's not meant for revving, it's meant for saving gas. So taani mo, very very presentable pag yun. So kani kita oran lang siya backup sensor, no. Na aftermarket backup sensor nga kamo pod if gusto mo mapalit, napot ay backup sensor na pwede ra pod unya. Daghan mo mapalitan kung dream mo sa Cebu, I think CFG sells this. Lazada, I think na pagkataod ra mo ani, pataod lang mo professional unya. Kini are 2 cameras of course for paksayon nga pagbaki. Let me show you the key, no. Ang yang yawe is as basic as it gets, rasad, but naay kilas of course. Lock and unlock, the most basic thing sa Toyota, given it what it is, but you see wala siya mokupas. It's No, it's something na you can just use. It's not dili siya something that you show off, but hey, maabot ka sa imong tuan nga wa mabasas uwan kung magisa magmotor ta, wa ka mainit eh. Hindi sa kadali mo tumba. Pero given na ako personally I prefer motor. I enjoy it, but kung kuyog ang pamilya. Let's try to open it. Um let's start sa sulod sa inside. It's plastic, no? What do you expect? Plastic sa dire, although na siya power windows, lock sa windows kung di mo gusto pagamit. Sa likod then naram power lock. Automatic adjustment sa mirrors, left right. So dili lang siya auto fold. Hindi siya mag-expect na for what the price is. Pag brand new, you won't get the auto fold. Biski sa Vios nga J wala auto fold. But for a second hand vehicle, no, it's okay. It's pretty much okay. So space, hindi ka magproblema sa space. Like, let me show you. Space wise, it's okay. Mga bay. Entertainment, medyo dili na ako siya kikuan kay naka-music or naka-on na ako music dire nya. Maka-copyright but for what it is, gamay siya. It's not something that you will really like. Kay no Android Auto, no Apple CarPlay. It's just basic, but you can put your auxiliary here. I think there's the auxiliary there. Auxiliary, and here is your SD card. Very basic, but if FM lang yung paminaw, no problem at all. Has airbags, of course, on both sides, passenger and driver. I don't think this has ABS, kay for what it is again. But space wise, kung daghang maingon, no, everybody's very very like even the new ones, people will say, uy, gamay na. Even ako, before I've driven this, my reaction before was, uy, kagamay na. I drive my personal car is a big one, so I thought gamay siya. And so before I was very critical of the size. Madin ko lisod kani siya dadon og out of town trips at tag Cebu nga at tag Malbual or Bugo. Di ta makitaan sa bus puting gamaya, but now nga ako siyang na drive van. Doesn't feel that way. Amazing. It doesn't feel that way. It's okay basically. So what we have here is car normal AC. I think this is defogger. Your hazards are here. Mano-mano nga aircon. I think this is way better because mine is a Stargazer, the highest variant available, but kuanto siya, automatic. The problem with the automatic na sa tawag ni AC unit is pag maguba, wala pa rin maguba ako it's new, but if maguba, dako gid siyang problemahon. Dili siya maayon sa daplin and it will cost you money. Nagtipid gani ta mo to ni patag sa kanhan. So an issue here, kung wala gid, not an issue, but here, if maguba, I think anywhere mapaayo na nimo. Very 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 easy nga ipaayo. Nauyogan sa kanya, bro, na iro sa ilaw. Mga bay, nakuyawan ko abihon naglinog. Here, sa kilid, still the same, auto, simple plastic again. So the Vios compared no sa Vios magnay panakton dire ang uban brag leather katong cheaper variant, no, leather siya dire unya gahi sad faux leather. Here, what I dislike lang one of the things that I really dislike inside of this vehicle is I don't know why they made it this way. I don't know why it looks like this, but this thing looks really off. So you can see, my God, it's so, look, taas. This is what I really don't like about this vehicle. Kay Oban, mubo na. Gwapo kay tanan, mara siya sa jet or something like that. Nindo kay feeling pilot ta ba? Dire, porting taas sa iyang one. It's very long. For some reason, I don't ginani nila. They could have raised this somehow. No, yana nila gamay para mubo. Unya, park, of course, reverse, neutral, D, 4 gears. Here you have the third and the second, you cannot katay or probably overtake. I don't think this is overdrive. No overdrive. Yep. Wala overdrive. Basically, here you have your basic handbrake. I prefer this as well. I think most car buyers dapat kanilang instead of the katong Matic. I have a cousin who has the newest Everest, the most expensive one. He doesn't even use automatic na handbrake thingy katong kapag kunkuan lang mura og imo siyang i-click or i-pislit kay he's afraid magguba given pagid nga Ford, no? And here basic gauges, let me turn it on. Hopefully walay tingog magawa sa hoy patyon taming stereo kay makapiright ha. But basic, I say again basic, no? Very basic kasi it is. Space wise di ka magmahay. Speakers here, speakers there. So, sa likod dako sa gabli ang portahan, no? Dili ka ma-problema for again for the 2016, 2017 or 15 nga model with this color pagani nga dili dali mo lusgaw. Very nice. Dako ang abli so dali pagsud even mga senior citizens, no? Inside you will be surprised of how big the space is. Look how big it is. No, dili siya joke. Actually, this is very very big. Before akong cousin has an Eon, nakakuwam sa go for about a month, 2 months na ako nagamit. Nigawa siya sa laing lugar sa Nasod. It was really cramped inside, no? Sa likod, my children would barely fit inside. Here, my God, it's not that bad. You have seat belts here. You have headrests. Let me see. You have a good headrest here, there. Another headrest there. So it's not that bad, and the space isn't bad as well. Although I may comment, no, for someone, most of us siguro naka-drive na much better vehicles, wala siya headrest during adjustable, which is a downer side for me. But for someone who's gonna have this as their first car, nilayat, no, from magmotor ta nga, obviously we all know, although enjoyable, hago, di ka nakasakay ang pamilya, you're jumping into this for 300 grand, no? I think makakita ka ni second hand from second hand dealerships. Down payment is 100, 100, 125. This is a very good buy, guys, no, mga brad? It's a very good buy. Here you have cup holders. I don't know what this part is though. It's weird, but this one is a cup holder, of course. No center armrest though, so there's that. Wala yung center armrest, and the back is okay. Atong tanaw ng space. So mga bay, mga inday, let's talk about iyang ride, no? Ata sa SRT karon sa Cebu, medyo awan kay New Year man. It was January 1. Let's talk about how it rides. First and foremost, it keeps the speed. So meaning kung nakatunog ka, say for example, 40, buhay ko sa silinador, it keeps 40. Murag built for economy gyud kayo. It keeps the 40 nga speed kada dili siya dahil manao. And in terms sa iyahang acceleration, I'd say not that good siya, syempre, no, kay para economy maning nga sakyanan. Pero one thing na ako lang ang istorya, I think it's just because of the age pod sa kotse, no, kay 2016, 2017. Pero Wigo, I think most Wigo sa matiihang suspension. Although gamay nga lubak, you will really feel nga nipis ang ligid, ubo ang travel sa suspension, kay ang imong lubot maka-feel gid ug montol. Kasi montol sige yung lubot kung laki ka, sakit ang itlog syempre, no? Pero ingunan na gid siya, medyo sakit gid siya, imo siyang pamasod. So maglilihay ka gamay sa libawong silog, saka gamay kay nata si SRP when you go saka, yeah, medyo lisod, alanganin just kusog. Yeah, upat rami nagsakay, akong my wife and I, and my 2 kids. Braking, if di ka jerky mo brake, you know, may ka old karaan na ka mo drive, you know what you're doing, tama, kinahinig tama until you go to a stop. I have no complaints about the brake, even if drum brakes ta sa likod and disc in front. It's very very smooth. Ingon man tanim honong gamay siguro kay traffic sa monsoon ra. It's good. The brakes are good. The only comments na ko istorya is the suspension. I think I'm getting around 13 to 14 kilometers or 15 kilometers per liter. It's really really good. Tanawan ninyo ang consumption, no? Akala isa, for example, nilakaw me from our house, 2 bars na lang ang gas. We went to Minglanilla. Pabalik na mi, 2 bars lang gyapon ang bar sa gas. So
very economical. Tabla ra kahapit og nag-multi-cab. Unya, of course, with all the safety features na kay airbag dire, airbag dito. So, may seatbelt, comfortable ka, I think. No? Before we move on to the another part of the review, mas okay gid ni siya. If from motorcycle ka or from multi-cab you want something better, this is way better gid. Wala lay arte. Cheaper, of course, than the Vios second hand. Kung sa second hand market, very cheap and very easy to drive. Dali kat-on nun, if you've never driven before, it's very easy to drive. Point out na ako, new star, it's very nice. So mabasag ko kasod ya. So yeah, that's it for our driving part. Nothing to say about bad nga severe. Only the suspension I think is very bad, you know. But I think makaremedy ka na. You can just buy adto ka sa Manila man siguro, but you have to buy the suspension. Mataod na dire. A better suspension for this. Mura na siya. Wala issue in terms of daily use lang, practical nga gamit mga adlaw-adlaw. Labi na you're stuck in traffic sa Mandaue, sa Cebu City, Tabunok. My God, very kuan gid siya. Nindot gamiton kay affordable when you use the car. You buy a car, not, I think most of us buy the car para pamorma, of course, no. But if you're looking to buy a car na magamit lang nimo, you're comfortable, you don't have any fun, pang going to A to B lang, this is really something na you have to look into in the second hand market. Again, you can find this around 300 to 400k depending on the year model. Yeah. Plus you have the very good reputation of Toyota for parts availability. Barato ang parts pag yun. So yeah, that's it for our driving part. Thank you. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Remember mga bay, one ride, one catch, one bite at a time. See you on the next video.